Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting directly. Confirm your iPad type, keyboard mode, and iPad OS version so you target the right fix. First, close any apps using the keyboard and back up key text to Notes or iCloud. This prevents data loss if you toggle settings. Then check battery and connectivity. Low power or flaky Bluetooth can cause a tiny keyboard. Once done, open Settings and go straight to General and Keyboard so you can compare layout options and prepare to change the size. Now you'll change modes and test behavior. Disable floating or split keyboard in settings if it's tiny, because those modes shrink the layout intentionally. Try the pinch open gesture on the on-screen keyboard to merge it back to full size. If that fails, undock and redock from the bottom to force a refresh. For physical keyboards, unpair and repair Bluetooth, or detach and reattach smart keyboard connectors to reset the hardware link. Make sure to test by typing in Notes so you see immediate results. Finish by applying system-level remedies. Force restart your iPad to clear transient glitches, then check for and install any iPad OS updates because software fixes often resolve size bugs. If that doesn't help, reset the keyboard dictionary or choose Reset All Settings. This preserves data but clears misconfigurations. Make sure to test after each step so you don't overdo resets. Troubleshooting tip: if the keyboard still appears tiny, enable accessibility, zoom temporarily to magnify keys, and note whether layout changes persist before contacting Apple support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.